Got an easy one for you today, a Kia fob battery that needs to be replaced. Now, the general idea in replacing the battery in this Kia fob should work in most other branded automobiles. But today we're looking at the Kia, specifically the Kia Sportage, and all you're really going to need is a flat-headed screwdriver and a 2032 brand new battery. Now press the release mechanism on the side to release the physical key from the fob. Basically what this is going to do is allow us access to put the flat-headed screwdriver in to separate the two sides of the key fob. You're going to see a space to where you can slide in that screwdriver and just give it a little twist and let the flat-headed screwdriver do all the work. You're going to notice the two halves separating. You can actually probably do this with just your hands, but it's a little easier with the flat-headed screwdriver. Now the battery is held in by a little cradle, and you don't need a tool to get the battery out. You just kind of slide it up out of the cradle itself, and notice the direction that the battery is in, where the writing and the positive side, the plus sign, is facing outwards towards you. The negative side, and usually the side that doesn't have any writing, is going to face up against a circuit board. So the negative side to the board, the positive side is facing you. Now we're going to take our brand new battery. Remember, it's a 2032 in this particular case. The positive side with all the writing is going to face towards you. The negative side without writing on it on the battery is going to touch the circuit board. You're going to slide it back in, and before we close it up, we're going to remove any kind of debris, dog hair, and the clamshell case sort of just snaps back into place. Insert your key back into the fob, and that's all to it. You have successfully changed the battery in your Kia Sportage key fob.